So here we got the A1 top recruiting funnel for the field. Completely built, completely worked out, connected directly to the admins. Everything pretty good, right? Super easy integrations. We can even get it to send a text automatically to the candidate once they completed their application. Now, let's imagine that we are in a position where we just saw someone that we want to recruit. Okay, great. So let's assume that they're dressed very sharply, right? We're probably going to be looking for people that are maybe dressed a little bit sharp, more sharp, probably some qualifying factors that we can see from just looking at them, right? They gotta look sharp, they look smart, look like they could do something good, and that we might be excited to get to even just to know them, right? Just to know them. So let's imagine the candidate's right in front of us. Hey, what's going on, brother? How you feeling? Oh man, you're looking super sharp, bro. Wow, you look good. Blah blah blah. Thank you so much. Of course, bro. What kind of stuff you doing for work right now? Oh, blah blah blah. Da da da. Could do do. Okay, all right. Sounds like it's okay. What kind of stuff is why you really get started on that kind of stuff? Oh, because of this and blah blah, boom, boom. All right, okay. You getting what you're looking for in that? Oh, it could be better, blah blah blah. I wish I had more growth, more support, blah blah blah. It's not bad, but it could be a lot better. Okay, all right, okay. So then, what kind of directions you wish you would be going in? Like, what kind of stuff are you actually ideally looking to do? Oh, I want to do ba and then a boom and then a ding ding ba ba boom. Well, that sounds good, man. What's your plan to get there, man? What you really trying to get? How you gonna get there? Oh well, I'm gonna do boom and then bam, but I'm having a hard time with bam bam and doom doom. It's been real doom doom and ba bam. Okay, all right. So so that's perfect. Okay. So it sounds like maybe you kind of need some support, and you probably need a team of people around you that really have the same kind of vision as you do. I would say that wouldn't be bad. All right, all right. Well, right now we're actually building a company. We actually have our headquarters right here down the road. But we help people develop and build all kinds of futures for themselves. Our main job is just developing and recruiting people, or is just to develop people, help them get to be the best version of themselves. Oh, that sounds pretty good. What kind of work do you guys do? Oh, okay, well, we do sales and recruiting. We do sales, marketing, and we help people develop all kinds of capacities inside of themselves to be better communicators, to be better managers, to be able to own and operate their own business in the long term. It's pretty exciting. Okay, that doesn't sound too bad. All right. Well, right now, we do have an incredible recruiting process. We do have an incredible application process that we could do right here, right on the spot. Now, it just takes 2 minutes. Let me show you how it works. You got a smartphone, right? Oh, perfect. Of course I do, bro. Here, just open up the camera app, or on the Android, you can actually open up the smart Android app piece there. Just go to the scan button, and it'll take us right here. Here, scan this QR code. It'll take us right to the website. Perfect. Now, I didn't catch your name. What was your name, brother? Blah, 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 blah. Perfect, bro. So here, congratulations. Really, we don't open this application to very many people. We really are selective with the people we even give the opportunity to potentially work with us. So congratulations on just that, right? So you said your name was blah blah blah. Okay, how do you spell that? It's da na na na, da na na na. Great. Okay, what's a good phone number for you? Ba na na na, ba na na na, ba na ba na. Great. Okay. What's a good email for you, brother? Just to reach you at. Boo doo 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 boo doo boo doo boo 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 boo. Great. And now, of course, this is super important. What kind of stuff are you really looking for in your ideal career? Are you looking for happiness? Are you looking for growth? Are you looking for abundance? Or are you looking for purpose? Blah, 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 blah. I really am looking for purpose. Oh, wow, bro. That's exactly the same as me. You're cool. So here, let's actually auto-apply with LinkedIn, because I'm sure you don't actually have your resume on you right now, right? Of course, right? So here, let's go ahead and use this link. We can open it up in a new tab. We'll go right over to LinkedIn. It looks like you're already logged in. That's pretty good. That means that you have a good presence there. Now, all we're going to do is just use the LinkedIn, right? Because the great thing about LinkedIn is it has your resume right there live, right? So what we're going to do is just copy this link. That way we can look back at your resume in the future, and you don't need to worry about actually having your PDF version on hand. We'll just go ahead and submit it here. Now, of course, for the interview, would you prefer to be for the potential interview call, just to set up everything? Our admins have the capacity to potentially call you in the next few days to see if it's a good fit. Would it be to call you? Is it better to call you in the morning or in the afternoon? Okay. Yeah, more of a morning person. I'm exactly the same way. So here, we'll set you up for the morning. Expect a call from our admins within the next 1 or 2 business days. And then, other than that, really good luck on everything. Like, it's been great to meet you. Whether this is the last time we get to talk, it was really a pleasure to get to know you a little bit. Feel free to get in contact if you got any questions. And then just expect that call in the next 1 or 2 business days. All right? You got any questions you want to ask me? Blah, 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 blah. That sounds